All right, let's talk Halloween. I know you don't want to necessarily give up handing out candy, but it's tough to do and socially distance. I'm going to show you, though, how to make a candy chute so that you can stand on your porch and slide candy down to the kids, and you can stay at least 6 feet apart. So if your neighborhood still wants to trick or treat, it is possible. We're going to start with a piece of PVC pipe. I have a 4-inch piece laid out. I'm also going to show you how to do it with a 3-inch piece. And we're going to start with some spray paint. Just some orange spray paint on the pipe. All right, I'm gonna let that dry for a minute, then I'm gonna flip it over and do the other side. The other pipe that I have, I'm gonna spray black. I have special plans for this one. Okay, we've got our PVC pipe painted. I've actually got an orange one and a black one. Now it's time to have a little fun with them. We're gonna do some decorating. I'm gonna just take some black duct tape and run it down this one in a spiral. Hopefully I can do that evenly. All right, so we're just about done putting the tape down. I actually think it looks pretty good. It helps if you have an assistant that can just kind of turn the pipe while you stick the tape down. Okay, this one we're gonna do a little differently. We're gonna make this one a little fancier. I've actually got a string of orange Halloween lights, and we're gonna wind those down this one. I'm gonna start with a little bit of black duct tape, though, to secure it. And again, it helps if you have an assistant who can help turn it for you. And every once in a while, we'll put another piece of tape to make sure the lights stay in place. All right, time to install the candy chute. I actually drilled a little hole right here near the top, and I have a screw up at the top of my pillar that I always use for Christmas decorations, so that's there all the time. So that's what I'm going to attach it to. So I'm just gonna run this wire through here, and we'll twist that a couple of times. And you could do this with twine or, you know, anything that you have handy around the house. Even floral wire is probably good enough. And then I'm going to just tie it up here. Now we actually had to test run some candy through it to make sure we had the right angle. And this is where we figured out it should go. And I think because I have enough wire, I'll actually double it just to make sure it stays in place. There we go. So that's solid. For the other end, I'm just gonna put it up on this little stand. You could put it up on a chair or a step stool or however you wanted to do it, whatever you had. Or if you even had some landscaping nearby, you could wire it to that. But I'm gonna put it here. I might actually put a couple little screws in this stand just to help it stay into place. All right, candy chute number 1 is installed. All I need now are some trick-or-treaters.
Trick or treat!
There we go.
Thank you!
And that's how it works. Now, let's talk about candy chute number 2. Okay, so candy chute number 2, we kind of gave turbo power. We gave it lights so it looks cool. It's gonna look great at night. But also, if you don't have enough of an incline from your porch, it's tough to get the candy to slide down. So we improvised a little bit with an electric leaf blower. Check this out. All right, so I've shown you 2 separate ways that you can make a candy chute for Halloween, still be able to have trick-or-treaters come to your house, and stay socially distant. There you have it on Jill of All Trades.